Chapter 1. Money. In the previous class, we have studied about the coins and currency notes which are in common use in our daily life activities. We know how to convert amount in rupees into paise and vice versa. We have also learnt about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of money. Let us first revise the same through an exercise. Unitary method. A single object or a person is known as a unit. The word unitary is derived from the word unit. In this section, we shall use the unitary method to find the value of money given the value of 1 and vice versa. How to find the value of many? To find out the value of many, when we know the value of 1, we multiply. Example: a cap costs 32 rupees. What will be the cost of 9 such caps? Solution: the cost of 1 cap is equal to 32 rupees. The cost of 9 caps is equal to 32 rupees into 9 is equal to 288 rupees. Hence the cost of 9 caps is 288 rupees. How to find the value of 1? To find out the value of 1, when we know the value of many, we divide. Example: 6 pence cost 78 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pen. Solution: 6 pence cost is equal to 78 rupees. 1 pen costs is equal to 78 divided by 6 is equal to 13 rupees. Thus, cost of 1 pen is equal to 13 rupees. How to find out for many when we know for some? If we know the price for some units, we first find out the price for 1 unit by dividing. Then we find the cost of certain number of units by multiplying. Example: the price of 18 books is 720 rupees. Find the price of 15 such books. Solution: the price of 18 books is equal to 720 rupees. Thus, the price of 1 book is equal to 720 rupees divided by 18 is equal to 40 rupees. Hence, price of 15 books is equal to 40 into 15 rupees is equal to 600 rupees. Remember, the unitary method does not work in some situations. For instance, in solving example 1 above, it is assumed that price of all the books is same, or else we cannot apply the unitary method. The units which are divided and then multiplied need to be of the same object as the units of the answer, else we cannot apply the unitary method. For example, if we know the price of a dozen pens, we can find the price of 14 pens. But we cannot find the price of 14 pencils given the price of a dozen pens. Similarly, if we know that a bus has 6 wheels, we can find out how many wheels 8 such buses will have. But we cannot find out how many wheels 15 vehicles will have. This is because some vehicles may be cars with 4 wheels and some may be 3-wheelers with 3 wheels. Profit and loss. Every day we buy things of our needs from the shop. A shopkeeper buys things, articles, either directly from a manufacturer or through a wholesaler. He pays certain price for buying the things. This price is called the cost price. He then sells the things to the customers. The price at which he sells the things is called the selling price. If the selling price SP is more than the cost price CP, it is said that the shopkeeper makes a profit or gain. Profit or gain is equal to SP minus CP. On the basis of above formula, we have CP is equal to SP minus profit and SP is equal to CP plus profit. If the selling price SP is less than the cost price, it is said that the shopkeeper suffers a loss. Again, it is clear that loss is equal to CP minus SP. On the basis of above formula, we have CP is equal to SP plus loss and SP is equal to CP minus loss. Generally, a shopkeeper has to bear some additional expenses such as labor charges, freight charges and maintenance charges for the things before they are sold. Such charges are called overhead expenses. Overhead expenses are always accounted for with the CP of an article. Thus, the actual CP of the article is equal to cost of the article plus overhead expenses. Example 1. Nisha bought an old wristwatch for 525 rupees and spent 82 rupees on repairing it. After repair, it was sold to Kusum for 715 rupees. Find the profit made or loss suffered by Nisha. Solution: CP plus overhead charges is equal to 525 rupees plus 82 rupees is equal to 607 rupees. SP is equal to 715 rupees, as SP is still more than the CP. Profit is equal to 715 rupees minus 607 rupees is equal to 108 rupees. Therefore, thus Nisha made a profit of 108 rupees. Example 2. A scooty was bought for 35,650 rupees and was sold after making a profit of 1,500 rupees. Find the selling price of the scooty. Solution: cost price of the scooty is equal to 35,650. Profit is equal to 1,500 rupees. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit is equal to 35,650 rupees plus 1,500 rupees is equal to 37,150 rupees. Therefore, thus the selling price of the scooty was 37,150. Example 3. Shweta sells a sari for 850 rupees and makes a profit of 80 rupees. What was the cost price of the sari? Solution: SP is equal to 850 rupees. Profit is equal to 80 rupees. CP is equal to SP minus profit is equal to 850 rupees minus 80 rupees is equal to 770 rupees. Therefore, thus the cost price of the sari was 770 rupees.